My simple to follow breakout strategy is like buying Bitcoin in 2009. We don't need overcomplicated systems like SMC, ICT or liquidity based models. We need a very simple systematic approach to trading, and this is where we can turn into very profitable traders. And I have a clean as example that I want to show you on this video. I'm going to walk you through all the steps that I take in order to find an entry, take the entry, and see how it will ride out. Either way, it's a take profit or a loss. This system has a 70 to 80% win rate. It differs on the month, obviously, but overall it's very profitable. We use a 1R, so a 1 risk to reward every single time, because we don't want to be greedy asses. We just want to be in and out of the market, take our profits, and enjoy the rest of our day. It's tradable in 3 sessions. You can trade it in London, New York, and Asia. And it's a system that, and these trades are coming every single day. Does that mean that I take a trade every single day? Well, no. But let's dive in, because we need to show you the real sauce, how it actually works, and how you can use it into your own trading, and how you can actually backtest it. So the first thing that we need to do is understand our support and resistance areas. We have a resistance area, and we determine our resistance area by the bodies of the candle. So we can see that we have a bullish candle followed by a bearish candle. This identifies for me a resistance area. Well, now we need to see if we can find an area where we can trade into. We need a resistance target. We have one over here. The same goes for support. It's no other difference. We need to have that bearish candle followed by a bullish candle, and we put the line on the body of the complete candle. And we need a support area to trade in. Well, we have a nice area here. So what do I need to see? I need to see a candle breakout with a body closure above the resistance or below the support. Quite easy. Let's see if we can catch such a trade. Okay, so what do we see over here is a perfect example of an A+ trade forming, because we have a clean range to trade in. We see that this candle closed with a body above the resistance. So now we can put in our entry. How do we do that? Well, we use a 1R. So one important rule is that the range should allow you to take a 1R trade. If that's not possible, you should skip the trade and wait for a new opportunity. In this case, it's completely possible. We can target a 1R, as we can see. We cover the low of the wick, but now comes the important stuff, because this is 90% of the complete strategy done. But now we need to wait for the next candle to flip bearish, retest the area, and the flip can be as tiny as it can be. It needs to flip. The next candle has to change color, or in other words. So let's see how that one will be playing out. Okay, so what we clearly can see, I mean, this happened in a matter of seconds. We turned bearish and then bullish again. Look how it goes. Goes back. Easy, no worries. We're still in the trade. Let it run and take profit hit. And this is all you need. A very systematic approach to the market with a system that works and is backed with huge amounts of data. And obviously, if you want to learn more about this strategy, you can check out my links down below or watch tons of my other videos, because I'm breaking down trades almost every single day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the comment section if you got any questions, and I'll see you on to my next video. Cheers.